Hi there, my name is Rebecca Carleen, and I'm doing my assignment for reflection on assignment 2. I did my research on infographics and utilizing them in the classroom as an assessment or an activity for our students. I actually learned about infographics for the first time within this program, and when I was building some of my new courses for a new program, I came up with a random idea of utilizing an infographic as an assignment versus just an informative tool for my students. And so they did a great job, and I just wanted to dig a little bit deeper. And so I learned a lot on my research on just different rubrics and how the brain really reacts with visual information versus just information heard or seen. And so with my research alone, I was able to take quite a bit from that, and we'll plan on improving and creating new infographic activities for my different courses. Some other things that I found from or learned from my peers within my group, one in particular is just focusing on the problem. The new technologies that come out are fun and different, and we're always looking for things to, enhance engagement and collaboration. But instead of focusing on a new tool and how you can utilize that within the classroom, I think a great point that someone made was focusing on the problem and then finding a tool that best helps achieve that outcome or objective. And so I thought that was a really big point to make and to keep in mind. Some of the different technologies that I plan on maybe playing with and seeing if these particular technologies would help with some of my outcomes within my courses was one in particular was Blabberize, I'm pretty sure. But basically it's, an image of, it can be a fictional drawing or whatever it is, and I'm not really sure how it works, but if the student is speaking, their information, doing some kind of report, whatever it is, and this image, the mouth moves on the image. It's very cute and fun. And, one of the points that she made was that this particular tool is nice for those students who are nervous to be standing up in front of a classroom. So it does allow them to do their research and to provide a presentation, but not be in front of 20 different eyes. So I think that's a really great tool that she mentioned as well. I did get some feedback from a couple of my the other peers within my group, and one of them was to provide a video on how to put together an infographic. And I'm always hesitant to provide too much, guidance in some of these activities, because I want to see the students' creativity come out in their work. But I tend to forget that some students don't have a whole lot of experience with technology. Some of my students that are taking my new program are non-traditional, and so throwing out these different technologies, really Blackboard to some of them is confusing, let alone the different technologies and tools and activities, and so I think providing that video would be beneficial, and so I do plan on putting that forward in my next classes. So anyways, it was really fun to look through everybody's different researches, and I can't wait to look at the other groups' information as well. So thank you.